Welcome back for another how-to tutorial with Levan. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps on how you can start earning 50% commissions over and over using this very simple process. And you're going to be able to do this for free constantly, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this even if you have zero experience. So sit back, grab some notes, get some water, and let's get into it. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe down below so you'll be contacted every time I come out with the new and latest ways that you can start making money online. So before we start into the 3 simple process, I'm gonna show you 3 reasons why this is a great way for you to start making money right now, especially if you are a beginner, because we're going to start making money off people that are on Instagram. And right now, Instagram in 2020 has over 18 billion in ad revenue, which is meaning people are having, who have large accounts that are creating, putting their business on Instagram are sharing a part of that profit, all right? The second reason is Instagram is growing in trust for people who buy daily products online. So back in the days, people wouldn't trust that you want to put their credit card, but since they're doing so much business and everyone is on their phone, Instagram is becoming a very trustworthy platform. And the third reason is meaning a lot of these businesses need to get on Instagram to have an impact so they can start making money, but the problem is they don't know how to grow their Instagram account. They don't know how to get people attracted. They don't know how people click their link. That is where you're going to come in with this product. So let's jump in. Let me show you what the product is, how you're going to use it, and how you can start promoting it. So the 3 simple steps where you guys are going to start earning 50% commissions over and over is step 1. Okay, step 1, we first need to find a product that is going to pay you 50% commissions every time you make a sale. And then we need to find a product that is going to be super easy to find on Instagram. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Step 2, we're going to then sign up as an affiliate for free, so it's not going to cost you anything. And then we need to copy and paste our link so we can start earning those sales over and over. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And then step 3, I'm going to show you how we're going to go on Instagram and find business Instagram accounts that have a low following and that would love the product we're going to promote to them. That's going to allow them to get more followers, more likes, more clicks, more people viewing their content, and more people clicking their link to whatever they're trying to buy. So let's jump into my computer. So we need to do step 1 and find a product that we're going to be able to sell with using Instagram. So we're going to need some type of Instagram program. The best way to find some programs other people might not know about is to simply type in Instagram affiliate programs. Do a little research, see how much they pay you, but we want to try to find one that already gives us 50% commission. But I've already found one, so we're going to use this one right here. It is called Koban. It's an Instagram marketing content planning solution. So what they do is they help people grow Instagram audience management and attraction. So if you have a business Instagram account, you'll be able to grow a lot faster, or you can go from 0 to 40,000 followers really fast. They even have a scheduler, so you don't have to be on your phone the whole time posting content, because the more content you can post on your Instagram, the more organic following you're going to be able to get. So we want to do is sign up as an affiliate for this, because when we sell this, we're going to promote it to business Instagram accounts, because this program is going to allow them to attract other Instagram followers when they buy it. You can see how they can plan and schedule. You can see how some of these have 431,000 followers. They're going to be able to manage multiple accounts simultaneously. They're going to be able to communicate with your audience. They can even track their activity and growth. So this is a product every Instagram business needs. They just don't know about it. It's a very trusted company. They have over 60,000 users growing their Instagram audience with them. You can see Forbes, online marketing. You can see some. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here, and we need to do step 2. We need to sign up as an affiliate. So you can see here when we go to their affiliate program, you're going to be able to earn 50% commissions every sale or commission you make off of this product, which is great. So you can see one sale, if you sell for a personal plan, it's $30. If you sell the business plan, it's $90. So, and it's going to be reoccurring. So when someone pays for this product, it's going to be a monthly thing. So every time they stay with it, you're going to keep earning that 30 over and over and over again, or the 90 if you have that business plan. So imagine if you have 10 sales through the whole month of each one getting $30, you'll get a reoccurring income of $300 over and over again with just this one simple product. You can see here 5 sales, 150, kind of get the idea. 50 sales, you'll get $1,500 every single month. And they're going to show you the minimum payout. Once you get about $400, you're going to be able to pay out. They're going to pay you in US dollars, which is great because you can do this anywhere in the world, but you're going to make US dollars. So if you're from a different part and US dollars are higher, this is a great thing for you. And they will pay you through PayPal. And they're going to tell you, you can receive these payments after 30 days once the customer is with them. And then you just simply hit this apply now button so we can complete step 2. It's very easy. You're going to put in your email name, what country you're from, so you can see all these different countries. That's a great reason this program, the strategy is great because not everyone is from the United States. You can put your website, your password, and then you're going to sign up. And then what you're going to get is you're going to get a link, okay? This is where step 3 comes in, where once we have our link, we're going to be able to copy and paste, and then we now need to go find business Instagram accounts to promote this link to. And I'm going to show you how we can find them and how we're going to talk to them so they can potentially be a buyer in a very simple process. So now on to step 3, where we're going to find businesses that are going to need our product, which is called Coben. And what we need to do is we need to go on Instagram, sign on Instagram. I even have a pre-template of what we're going to be messaging them. But the way you can find these companies is simply going in the search bar, maybe type in food recipes, type in animals, any type of product you think someone might be selling. So as an example here, I found this one person, Tasty Food Recipes. They pay to have a product to be sold. They have about 4,600 followers, not too bad, but I'm sure they would like to grow a lot faster. Maybe help them grow their YouTube channel. So, on YouTube, you can gain AdSense. They can earn more money that way. And we would simply have something pre-written that we're going to send them that will entice them to possibly purchase this product where we can earn $30 or even $90 every single month they're a part of it. So these pre-made template, which you can copy this exact one. You're going to want to send them a direct message of saying, hey, I see you have an awesome business. Make sure you spell business correctly. Going on with your Instagram account. How would you like to grow your following, activity, and amount of products you sell by 50% more? Question mark. If interested, you can see and get a free trial for this amazing program. That's another reason I do like selling this, because you can give it to them for free. I believe the free program, you can try it for free. They're going to be able to do here, and then when they click free, they'll put in their email and they'll have a certain amount of time. So having something they can get for free is going to entice them more likely to purchase it. So after the free trial is over, that is when you'll collect that commission. So you're going to tell them, amazing program that's helped over 60,000 users to help grow their business by growing their Instagram, okay? And then if interested, simply say, heck yeah, I want to grow, and I would gladly send you the free link. And whenever they do say, they're going to say heck yeah, or they're going to say no, I don't need that program. That's okay. So the goal of this is try to reach out to 40 or 50 different accounts a day. And if you get a couple yeses and they buy your link, you're going to be able to earn $30 or up to $90 every single time. So this is a very easy process, 3-step process. You can sign up for the affiliate for free. We found the product that gives you 50% commissions. We're signing up for free. And then step 3, we have a way where we're going to be able to find unlimited customers on Instagram. And there's going to be thousands, if not millions, of different companies. We can do animals. Let's see if we can find this. People have some funny animal clips. They have worldwide products. Let's go down here. Real funny animals, baby animals. And then you'll just go through them. You'll see this person has 1.1 million followers. They don't need any help. We can even go to different food companies. This is a good one. I Love Food in Atlanta. 11.9 thousand followers. They have a page. They're also verified. So they would probably love a product like this where they can grow faster. They can have, maybe scheduling, save them a little time when they're putting out content. So just go on Instagram, find as many people as you can, write a list of different ones you can find, and just simply direct message. Try to do, if you can do, the more you can do, the more you're going to earn. Try to have like a goal where you're at least messaging 20 people, because even if you get one yes, you're going to be able to make that reoccurring income of $30 up to $90 every single month they stay with it. So that is it for another how-to with Levan tutorial. Be sure to like the video down below if you got any value out of it, and comment down below what was your favorite part. I tried to make this step-by-step as easy as possible. It's great for beginners trying to get into affiliate marketing, trying to get their feet wet, and just showing them how you don't have to invest money right away, but as you learn more skills, the better you get at this skill, you're going to earn a lot more money. And don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be contacted every single time I create a new how-to video, so you can learn how to make more money and increase those skills gradually as you keep learning. So I appreciate everyone that stayed to the end, and thanks for watching.